everyone, welcome to epicartdesigns.com. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit your policies and how to add them to your Shopify website. So let's get started. When you first log in, you will be led to this dashboard, and this is basically what it is. This is just a dashboard. So you just want to locate your online store, and once you're there, you're just going to go all the way down to where you see settings. And from there, you should see policies. It should be here. Yeah, right there. So now you see we have all the policy information here. We have the return and refund policy, the privacy policy, the shipping policies, all that good stuff. So you just want to go one by one and fill these in. Also, Shopify has preset templates for this, so you can use that and just kind of fill in your information there. This is kind of what I was doing. Now that I have all my policies filled out, I'm going to go ahead and add this to my website. So you just want to go back to online store and you want to go to the navigation menu. Now I'm just going to go to main menu. Now you can add this to the footer, but I'm going to add this to my menu. I'm going to add a menu item and I'm going to put policies, and then from there just select policies and select which policy you want. And I'm going to add each one of these policies, which is the return and refund and the contact information. I'm going to add that under policies, and then once you add that and you add each one of those policies under there, then you are all set. Do the same thing for the footer, but instead of going to main menu, you're going to go to footer after hitting navigation. And to add a sub item, just make sure that once you create that the menu, another menu item, you're going to drag it kind of under the title that you want, kind of like what I'm going to do here, just like that. So once I'm done adding all that to the menu, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure everything is updated on my website. And as you can see, we have the policies section and we have all the policies under that. You could change the format of this if you want on Shopify. I prefer to leave it like this just because it's optimized for mobile too. And that's all for today's video, guys. Really hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe for more.